Hey guys, it's Susan. Let's make some big, bold statement earrings. We're going to need some large baroque pearls, a couple of earring backings, 2 head pins, and 2 pieces of wire. Take our head pin and put it through the bottom pearl. Pinch down the top, bring the wire to the back, switch out for our round nose pliers, bring the wire up, over, down, rotate our pliers, bring the wire to the back until we form our loop. Do the same on the other side. Pinch the wire, bring it to the back, come up, over, down, rotate, bring the wire to the back. We're going to wire wrap our loop by pinching down the loop that we just made, using our flat pliers, and wire wrap around. Cut off the excess. And pinch down the little burr. Do the same for the other side. Cut off the excess. Pinch down our burr. Now we have our 2 wire wrap bottoms. To connect these together, we're going to need to make some loops on each side. So I'm using my wire, taking my wire, I'm going to bring it to the back to start my wire wrap, bring in my round nose pliers, pinch it down, bring the wire up, over, down, rotate, and bring the wire to the back, like that. Now I form my loop. So what I need to do now is I need to hang on to the loop that I just made. I need to open the door, and I need to add my pearl, my bottom pearl, until it sits inside my loop. Then I can go ahead and close the loop down like that, so it's closed again. Pinch down the loop. Using my flat pliers, I'm going to go ahead and wire wrap around. Then I can go ahead and cut off my end and pinch down my burr. So now I have a connection that I can put my pearl on, like that. So let me show you how to do that again. Taking my wire, I'm using 24 gauge because it's thin enough to go through my pearl. Pinching the wire down, bringing the wire to the back, switching out for my round nose pliers, pinching it down, bringing the wire up, over, down, rotate, bring the wire to the back. I've got my loop. I'm going to pinch the loop down, open the door, and I'm going to slide on my bottom pearl until it's connected. Once it's connected, I can go ahead and start my wire wrap. So I'm going to pinch it down, bring in my flat pliers, and wire wrap around. Cut off the excess and pinch down my burr. Now I can go ahead and add my pearl. Now what we need to do is connect this to our earring, and there's a little loop back here. So I'm going to go ahead and wire wrap the top. I'm going to pinch the wire down, bring the wire to the back, switch out from my round nose pliers, pinch it down, bring the wire up, over, down, rotate, and bring the wire to the back. Now I'm going to open the door. I'm going to slide on my earring and make sure that I have the loops connected together. Holding down my loop, using my flat pliers, I'm going to wire wrap around. Cutting off the excess. And pinching down my burr. Let's do the same on the other side. Slip on our earring. Make sure that it's connected. Our loops are connected. Now we can wire wrap around. And there you have it. These big, bold statement earrings are so lovely. I hope you enjoyed this video and you will give these earrings a try. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on the next one.